Exploring the Calendar module. The Calendar module allows you to schedule, view, and keep track of all events related to the selected care recipient. The Calendar module helps the care team keep organized and communicates which care team member will be assigned to a given event. How to access the Calendar module. To access the Calendar module, tap More on the main navigation bar and locate Calendar under the list of modules. This will take you to the Calendar screen. How to create a calendar event. To create a calendar event, tap the plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Enter the name of the event in the event title field. Next, select the participants who will be involved in the event. The care recipient will always be listed first in the participant list and will be selected by default. Tap to include other participants as needed. Tap the participant picture again to deselect. If entering an all-day event, you may bypass putting in a start and end time by enabling the all-day toggle. The paid event toggle may be utilized if the care team members participating in the event are to be compensated for their time. Calendar events marked as a paid event will automatically populate the Wages module, where it will calculate how much is owed for each paid team member. Next, identify the time frame of the event by populating the event start and end parameters. If you are creating a recurring event, establish the frequency settings in the Repeat field. By default, the repeat pattern established will be ongoing. If needed, you can specify an end to the repeat event by either choosing an end date or the count option under the Repeat End field. Using count will allow you to establish how many events you would want in the pattern before it ends. For example, you might say that you want to have physical therapy for 10 sessions. You may either identify the end of the event by manually filling in the end date, or use the count field to enter the number 10 and have the app figure out the end date for you. If desired, you can link a location to the event. To do this, tap the Location field. This will bring up the location screen. To ensure VerifyCare creates accurate search results, please check that your location services are turned on and that your device has granted VerifyCare access to your current location. Enter in the address of the event in the search bar, or search for a location using a business name or partial address. Once entered, click the Search button to perform the search. Tap the pin on the map to confirm your selection. Verify the address under the selected location field and enter the name for the location if not already populated. All locations previously used can be found in the Past Locations field. For quick access, tap the chevron icon to bring up a list of your past locations, or enter the name of the location in the text box. Once you have entered a new location or selected a past location, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner. When viewing the appointment details, a user can tap the Show on Map shortcut to quickly pull up the location within their navigation app on their device. If desired, you can set reminders to go off prior to the event. This option will only be available if a team member is also involved in the event. Otherwise, push notification reminders will automatically go to the person checked in at the time of the event. To set a reminder, select the time frame prior to the event you would like the reminder to trigger. Up to 2 reminder timeframes may be set. Finally, enter in any notes or instructions in the Notes field. Then tap Save in the upper right-hand corner to save the event. Once a calendar event is successfully created, colored dots indicating which care team members are involved with the event will appear on the days the event occurs. Below the calendar is a summary list of the events. Tap the blue arrow below the calendar to expand the Summary of Events viewing area. Tap the blue arrow again to return to the original calendar display. How to utilize the Volunteer feature. There may be times that during event creation, it may not be known which care team member will be assisting with the event. For example, you enter in Denise's doctor's appointment for next Thursday, but you are still looking for someone to take her. In this scenario, the exclamation point icon under the participant area can be utilized to indicate a volunteer is needed to assist with the event. Once the event is saved with the Needs Volunteer tag, the event time frame will be highlighted in orange. In addition, care team members will be notified via the Verify Care inbox that an event requiring a volunteer was created. The care team member volunteering to participate in the event can update the event directly from the inbox message or through the calendar screen. To take over as a volunteer, navigate to the event through the calendar or tap View Event in the inbox alert. Edit the event and simply tap the team member picture that will be assisting with the event and tap the Needs Volunteer icon to deselect this flag. One event can have as many team members assisting as needed. Then tap Save in the upper right-hand corner to ensure your changes are saved. Once all the events needing a volunteer on a given day are fulfilled, the time frame will no longer be highlighted in orange for that date. How to change the calendar view. Tapping the chevron icon next to the word Monthly will bring up options to view the calendar in a monthly, weekly, or daily view. To go to a different date, locate the orange date bar and utilize the left and right arrows to navigate to different time frames. Tap the white T icon at any point to be taken back to today's date. How to filter the calendar view. Tapping the chevron icon next to the word Filter will bring up the options to filter the calendar view by care team member. Check or uncheck care team members to only view events related to the desired care team member. How to search for a calendar event. To search for an event, type in the name of the event in the search bar and tap Search. Please note, this will only search the time period you will have selected. To browse events in a different time period, use the date bar to navigate to the different time frame. While viewing the calendar in monthly or weekly formats, clicking the date on the calendar view will jump the summary of events to display that day's events. If no events occur on the selected date, the summary of events will jump to the next date with an event. How to edit a calendar event. To edit a calendar event, locate the entry in the summary of events. Once you have located the event you would like to edit, tap the chevron icon to open the event details screen. Tap Edit in the top right-hand corner. If the event is a recurring event, a pop-up will appear asking if you would like to edit only this event, which will make changes only to the day you are on, all future events, which will make changes to the day you are on, plus any events after the date you are editing, or all events in the series, which will make changes to all past and future instances of the event you are editing. Make your changes as needed, then tap Save in the upper right-hand corner to ensure your changes are saved. How to delete a calendar event. To delete a calendar event, locate the event you would like to delete. Tap the chevron icon to open the event details screen. Scroll to the bottom of the event entry and tap the orange Delete button. If the event is a recurring event, a pop-up will appear asking if you would like to delete only this event, all future events, or all events in the series. If the event is a single entry, the pop-up will ask you if you would like to complete this action. Tap Yes to delete, or No to keep the event. Thanks for watching. Download the Verify Care app today. Available for download at the App Store and Google Play.